How to create Canva templates to sell on Etsy. So go ahead and open your browser on your device and then proceed to the Etsy website. Now, selling digital products online is an amazing way to earn passive income, and Etsy is just the place that many people come to find the digital product that they're looking for. Whether it's a business owner needing templates for her social media platforms and marketing, a homeschooling mother looking for printables to use with her work and meals, or a student needing a digital planner to keep her to do list organized, there's a digital product for just about everyone. By creating and selling digital products in Etsy, you will definitely earn additional money. Now, the first thing to do is to research to make sure that your idea will sell. This step is important to validate before creating a listing to make sure that you will be selling something that is in demand and something that people will actually pay for. One way to do this is to use the site called SERPstat. SERPstat is a site that helps us analyze our competitor ads and perform long tail keyword research, allowing us to obtain the results that we couldn't get from other keyword research and ranking checking tools. This SERPstat is a free alternative for Sales Samurai, a website that is a keyword research as well, since that specific site requires a subscription. Now, in here, we will be utilizing the keyword research to type in a word that is related to the product that we want to offer. So, let's say that I want to create a meal plan and nutrients tracker. So, I will type in meal plan, and this site will show how many times that specific keyword is searched online. This result tab is where we could focus. This results tab showed the number of results or the number of documents returned by the search engine for a keyword, and as you can see, this meal planner idea actually has high demand since the results are usually on the millions and billions. On the side of the results, on the right side, is the platforms where it is usually searched on. So, for example, this one is mostly searched on Pinterest, Amazon, and Instagram as well. Now, after doing this, another step to make sure that you're making a product that will sell well is go to the Etsy site and search for product that you're planning to sell. In our case, again, it's a meal planner. And once you have the results, just look at the sales of the current available products. And if you see that they are selling a good number of products, then you're actually good to go. Another thing that we can get from searching in Etsy is the public preferences. What you would want to do is to select a product that is doing very well, that is selling high, specifically products with this best seller tag and the purple star icon. Once you click on a product and once this loaded, take note of the comments or the feedbacks of people who actually bought the product. If there is something that is mentioned repeatedly, most likely other people that will potentially be your buyer will love it as well if you apply it to your own product. So just browse through in here and just get general comments, general idea and tips that you can get inspiration from. Now, the last tip is to browse in the results again to identify the gaps in the market. As you can see here, all of these have different color schemes, different fonts, and different functionalities. And of course, you don't want to sell something that is already available. What you need to do is to fill the gap in the market. Think of something that is not here yet. It could be a different color scheme, a different font style, a different layout of the template overall. This would help you sell your product more. Now, after all of these research, the next step is to make the actual digital product. Canva is one of the most accessible and easiest graphic design site that anybody can use. So we will be using that. Now, once we are in Canva, just click on the create design to choose a resolution or choose the size for your product. And if your size that you want is not available here, you can also customize by clicking on this one. This will just be a quick run through. I will not be creating a super complicated design, just to show you how Canva works. So first, you can change the background color here. You can choose from the available palettes, and you can also choose manually here on the color picker. After that, you can now go to the Elements tab to add some shapes, add some graphics and images to lay out the theme of your digital product. It could be any theme. It could be floral, tropical, it could be monochromatic colors, any theme or any color palette on top of your head. And from there, just build up your layout. So in my case, I will just add this irregular shape to the corners. You can change the color of the shapes as well to match the background more. And you can also browse and search here on the photos and graphics to be more specific on your searches. Now, if you see elements with this crown icon, it just means that you can only use that specific graphic or specific image if and only if you're subscribed to the Pro plan of Canva. So just take note of that. If you're not sure with your content yet, you can search for inspirations online so that your product will be high quality. And after designing, you can add your text, you can add vectors and other elements to finish your template. Once you're done with your layout, what you want to do is to get the editable template link of your product. To do that, just go to share. It's here on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on more and then find the template link icon here. Now, once this window appears, just click on copy link. Make sure to save that link. Now, we will be pasting this link into the file that we will be selling. So create another file, list the steps on how to use your template. So the step 1 for this will be, of course, to sign up or log in for Canva account. Step 2 is to click the template link that we have. To do that, just add a text or like a title. For example, I'll be typing in meal plan template. We will then turn this into a hyperlink so that when the buyer clicked on the specific word or phrase, it will direct them to the link. Now, to make it a hyperlink, highlight the text, click on this icon, like the 2 circles, and then paste in the link of the template that we did a while ago. Now, you can just finalize this file, like align and add elements, design it, edit it based on your branding. You can add the sample photos here or whatever, and after that, save the file as PDF, and we are now ready to upload it in Etsy. So this is all the information that you need to fill in based on your product. But what's important is here on the type of the product, make sure to change it to digital. This will give you the ability to upload a digital file. Once you change it to digital, go down here and just upload your file. Click this and then choose your PDF file, and as you can see, this is the exact file that the buyer will get as soon as they check out and pay for your product. Again, they will have this file, and once they click on the hyperlink, the template that they can edit to fit their needs the best will be available to them. So just finish the listing process in Etsy, and that is how to create Canva templates to sell on Etsy. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.